Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be another iPhone 12 related video. Now, Otterbox normally makes some of the best clear cases because one, the warranty is way better than pretty much every other company, and two, it's really tailored to the iPhone for maximum protection. So the one that I picked up at a Best Buy Mobile is the Symmetry Edition case. This is one of the most popular lines for their Otterbox cases. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm super excited to use this one just because I have the stainless steel sides, of course, on my 12 Pro Max, and it gets hidden by the Apple silicone case that I have on it right now. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy and see what it looks like on the phone. Okay, so this is the case here. You can see Otterbox logo, Symmetry series, 3 times tested to military standard. Now, I don't really know exactly what that means, but I'm sure that just means that it is a pretty strong case. Ultra thin design, wireless charging compatible, so Qi chargers and everything, MagSafe as well works through this case. Compatible with iPhone 12 Pro Max, hopefully, because that's what I bought it for, and then it's 5G compatible like I was just saying. Symmetry series, and then on the back basically just tells you what we just read, and then it says that there is raised edges to protect the camera and screen, which is great because you definitely want to protect the cameras on an iPhone 12 Pro. Easy on and off. Now let's go ahead and open this guy up. Okay, there we go. Case out, and there it is. So the plastic feels pretty premium. It's nice and clean right now, which I know over time will probably get a little bit dirty and I'll have to clean it. Otterbox is written on one of the buttons there. It almost looks like this case has a mini bend to it, so it must have been sitting weird in the transport truck or something, but you can see the raised edges there for the camera, so that should definitely protect it a bit. Bottom cutouts for the speaker and everything. Let's go ahead and put it onto my phone. Case I'm using right now, it's obviously nice. It's the Apple silicone case, but you know, I can't see those edges and I want to see the matte finish on the back, so let's go ahead and switch this out. Okay, let's toss it in. So obviously it looks really good like that. Let's go ahead and see if it actually looks similar or if it's going to kind of fade out the shininess of the stainless steel. Alright, so that is what it looks like with the case on. I think that looks really nice. You can see the matte finish and everything. The sides, I'm a little bit bummed out. I'm not gonna lie. I can't really see the stainless steel finish, which is what I was really hoping for with this case. You can kind of see it a little bit, but it's really drained out by the plastic here. Like you can see, that's the stainless steel right there. And then with the actual casing, you can't really see it. So I'm a little bit bummed out about that, but it is a really nice clear case overall. It feels very sturdy and heavy duty. If this thing were to drop, it's got a pretty thick edge there for the case, so it's going to have some pretty good drop protection, I would assume. I'm not going to test it by throwing my phone or anything, but I'll take Otterbox's word for it. There's a cutout right here, and then everything else is sealed off, like your volume and power button. Otterbox branding on the side again. Overall, really nice case, lightweight, looks good, protects the camera by having those raised edges right there. So really nice case overall. In Canada, it was about $55, and I'm pretty satisfied with it. I just wish that I could still see the stainless on the side there, but I'll keep looking for a case that does that. But in the meantime, this one is pretty nice. So guys, that is it for the Otterbox Symmetry case. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and mini review. This case is available for every iPhone 12 that's in the whole lineup, whether that is the base model 12, the 12 mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, they've got it. And now once again, one of the best things about this case being from Otterbox is the lifetime warranty, and it looks pretty nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and review. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. Lots more iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 accessory videos coming soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. In the meantime, thanks for watching again, and I will see you guys in the next video.